everyone, how are you today? Well, today we are going to discuss about explaining the concept of series and sequence and elaborating some examples. Okay, before that I want to introduce myself. My name is Made Radheva Ranindita and my friends Ardi Dwi Wahyu Sukmadianto. We are from 3C Mathematics Education. Okay, let's start study. The first, sequence and series definition. A sequence is an arrangement of any object or a set of number is a particular order followed by some rule. If I1, A2, A3, A4 until IN denote the terms of a sequence. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 until etc. denotes the position of the terms. Next, a question can be defined based on the number of terms, either finite sequence or infinite sequence. If I1, A2, A3, A4 is a sequence, then the corresponding series is given by A1 plus A2 plus A3 until IN. Denote by the series is finite or infinite depending if the sequence is finite or infinite. Okay, next. There are 4 types of sequence and series. The first, arithmetic sequence, geometric sequence, harmonic sequence, and Fibonacci numbers. The first, arithmetic sequence. Look at the picture. Arithmetic sequence in which every term is created by adding or subtracting a definite number to the preceding number is an arithmetic sequence. And then next, the second of the geometric sequence. There are the picture. A sequence in which every term is obtained by multiplying or dividing a definite number with the preceding number is known as a geometric sequence. Okay, next, harmonic sequence. The harmonic sequence, a series of numbers, is said to be in harmonic sequence if the reciprocals of all the elements of the sequence form an arithmetic sequence. Okay, next, the last, Fibonacci number. The Fibonacci number. Fibonacci number form an interesting sequence of number in which each element is obtained by adding two preceding elements and the sequence start with 0 and 1. Okay, next, a sequence and series formula. List of some basic formula of arithmetic progression and geometric progression are. Okay, look at the picture. The sequence is common, difference or ratio, general terms, not term from the last term, and then the sum of first and terms. Here, A, first term, you can see first term. D, you can see common, different. R, common ratio, and position of term, and 1, last term.
Let us find out how a sequence can be differentiated with series. Sequence, set of elements that follow a pattern. Order of elements important. Finite sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Infinite sequence 1, 2, 3, 4. Series, sum of elements of the sequence. Order of element is not so important. Finite series 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Infinite series 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. Sequence and series examples. 1 if 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 18, 22 is a square 5. Solution if sequence is 5, 7, 13, 16, 19, 22. A. The common difference equals 2 minus 4 equals 3. B. The next term of the arithmetic sequence is denoted by the term Tn and is given by Tn equals A plus n minus 1. B. Where A is the first term and D is the common difference. Tn equals 4 plus n minus 1. 3 equals 4 plus Tn minus 3 equals 3n plus 1. 21 term ends. T21 equals 4 plus 21 minus 1. 3 equals 4 plus 16 equals 65. In the next example, the geometric sequence is present. As in the example, the difference is only in the ratio and formula. Then arithmetic sequence. Question 1. What does a sequence and a series mean? A sequence is defined as an arrangement of numbers in a particular order. On the other hand, a series is defined as the sum of the elements of a sequence. Question 2. What are some of the common types of sequence? A few popular sequences in math are arithmetic sequence, geometric sequence, harmonic sequence, Fibonacci numbers. Question 3. What are finite and infinite sequence and series sequence? A finite sequence is a sequence that contains the last term such as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, and on the other hand, infinite sequence is never ending. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, and series. In an infinite series, an infinite number of terms are right like A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 plus F6. In case of an infinite series, the number of elements are not finite. A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 plus A6.
Okay, that's all about the material of explaining the concept of series and sequence and elaborating some examples. Thank you for the watching and see you. Happy your day.